What happens when one of the world's most legendary heavy equipment manufacturers decides to build a motorhome that doesn't care where the road ends? Welcome back to JM Auto Review, the channel where we dive into the most extreme, capable, and future-ready vehicles ever imagined. Today's feature is not built for campgrounds, resorts, or weekend getaways. This is something far more serious. This is the 2026 Caterpillar Overlander motorhome, a machine engineered for total independence, brutal terrain, and long-term off-grid survival. This vehicle follows Caterpillar's industrial engineering mindset, focusing on strength, endurance, and reliability above everything else. Designed for Americans who want to travel beyond civilization, cross remote landscapes, and rely on machine-grade durability rather than luxury alone, the Overlander exists in a category few vehicles dare to enter. In this video, we're breaking down its exterior design, interior layout, powertrain performance, technology, safety, pricing, ownership costs, customization options, and why this motorhome stands completely alone in the Overland world. Let's start with the first thing that grabs your attention the moment you see it. The exterior of the 2026 Caterpillar Overlander looks less like an RV and more like a rolling expedition command center. The reinforced chassis, extreme ground clearance, and massive off-road tires instantly signal that this vehicle is built to survive where others fail. The body design is aggressively functional, featuring heavy-duty bumpers, exposed recovery points, integrated storage modules, and protective armor throughout. Nothing here is decorative. Every element exists for strength, protection, and purpose. On city highways, it looks intimidating. Off the grid, it feels unstoppable. Step inside and the philosophy remains exactly the same. The interior of the Caterpillar Overlander is built around durability, efficiency, and self-sufficiency. The driver's cockpit feels closer to a construction machine than a luxury motorhome, with a commanding driving position, wide visibility, and controls designed to function under constant stress. Move deeper into the living area, and you'll find a compact but intelligently organized layout. Sleeping quarters, a rugged kitchen setup, a functional workspace, and secure storage areas are all designed for long expeditions. Materials are chosen for toughness and easy maintenance, while insulation and climate systems are engineered to handle extreme heat, cold, and humidity anywhere in the United States or beyond. Now let's talk about what gives this machine its unstoppable character. Under the hood, the 2026 Caterpillar Overlander delivers exactly what the Caterpillar name promises: relentless torque and long-term durability. This diesel power plant isn't about speed, it's about controlled strength and the ability to move massive weight without stress. The drivetrain is built for the worst conditions imaginable, featuring advanced traction systems, locking differentials, and heavy-duty suspension components. Whether crawling over rocks, pushing through deep mud, or climbing steep grades, this motorhome is designed to keep moving when terrain becomes hostile. But power alone isn't enough without control. Technology inside the Caterpillar Overlander focuses on monitoring, reliability, and decision-making rather than flashy entertainment. The driver interface provides real-time data on engine health, drivetrain performance, terrain conditions, and system status. Navigation systems are optimized for expedition travel, offering off-road mapping and remote terrain awareness. In the living area, integrated power management systems track battery levels, fuel supply, water reserves, and energy usage, allowing off-grid living to remain efficient and predictable even for extended periods. Safety is another area where this machine separates itself from traditional motorhomes. The reinforced cab structure, industrial-grade braking systems, and heavy-duty suspension create a solid protective foundation. Advanced stability and traction controls help maintain control on uneven and unpredictable surfaces. The elevated driving position provides excellent visibility in challenging environments, making this vehicle especially appealing for disaster preparedness, remote exploration, and extreme overland missions where failure is not an option. When it comes to pricing, the Caterpillar Overlander exists in a league of its own. Its expected price reflects industrial-grade components, custom construction, and limited production. This is not a mass-market motorhome. It's built for buyers who understand the true cost of extreme capability and long-term reliability. Unlike luxury RVs that focus on comfort and appearance, the Overlander prioritizes endurance and independence, making its price more justifiable for those who value survival over style. From a financial standpoint, ownership requires serious planning. Fuel consumption, specialized maintenance, insurance, and storage costs are higher than standard RVs due to its size and heavy-duty systems. However, Caterpillar's global service network and focus on long life components help reduce unexpected breakdown risks. For American buyers who plan to operate far from traditional infrastructure, the long-term value comes from reliability and confidence in remote environments. When it comes to buying one, the Caterpillar Overlander is typically built to order. Buyers can customize armor levels, suspension configurations, interior layouts, power systems, and expedition equipment based on their mission needs. These choices significantly impact final pricing but allow the motorhome to be tailored precisely for its purpose. Financing solutions and service agreements may be available through specialized partners to help manage ownership costs over time. So what truly makes the 2026 Caterpillar Overlander special? Its unmatched durability, extreme off-grid capability, and total independence. Unlike traditional motorhomes that depend on campgrounds and infrastructure, this vehicle is designed to operate anywhere for extended periods. Its industrial engineering, powerful drivetrain, and self-sufficient systems make it ideal for extreme explorers, survivalists, and professionals who need a mobile base that can go where roads don't exist. Now the real question is this: is the 2026 Caterpillar Overlander overkill? Or is it the ultimate solution for those who demand complete independence from the grid? The answer depends on what you value. This motorhome isn't built for casual vacations or luxury travel. It's built for people who demand absolute reliability, extreme terrain performance, and freedom without limits. If you enjoyed this deep dive into extreme overland machines, make sure to subscribe to JM Auto Review, hit the like button, and comment below where you'd take the Caterpillar Overlander first. We'll see you in the next video right here on JM Auto Review.